ورحمة الله وبركاته. Today we are talking about the second case of factorized trinomials on the form ax power 2 plus bx plus c. The first case we took if a equal 1. Here if a not equal 1. Number 1, factorize each of the following: 2x power 2 plus 7x plus 5. Here the coefficient of x power 2 is 2. We can't take 2 as the common factor. So factorize by scissor. Factorize 2x power 2 and factorize 5. And we get the product of extreme and the product of means, it will be equal 7. Here we factorize 2x power 2 equal to x and x. And factorize 5, it's only 1 times 5. We want the sum of the product of two scissors, their sum equals 7. So if factorize 5 times 1, here 5 times 1, 2x times 1 equal to x. 5 times x equal 5x. 2x plus 5x equals 7x. If we change place of 1 times 5, if we change place 1 times 5, it will be 2 times 5, 10, and 1 times 1, 1, the sum equal 11. So if we factorize 2x power 2 plus 7x plus 5, we factorize 2x power 2, it will be 2x and x. Factorize 5, 1 times 5. Number 2, 2x power 2 plus 9x plus 10. We factorize 2x power 2, it will be 2x and x. Factorize 10, it will be 2 times 5. We don't put 2 behind 2. 2 and 2, we can't put it on the same brackets. So factorize 10, it will be 5 times 2. Product of extreme, 2x times 2, 4x, 5 times x, 5x, 4x plus 5x, it will be 9x. So we can factorize 2x power 2 plus 9x plus 10, 2x plus 5, and x plus 2. Number 3, 3x power 2 plus 11x plus 10. We factorize 3x and x. Factorize 10, 2 times 5. 3x times 2, 6x. 5 times x, 5x. 6x plus 5x, it will be 11x. If we change 5 and 2, it will be 3 times 5, 15, and 2 times 1, 2, it will be 17x. So if we factorize 3x power 2 plus 11x plus 10, it will be 3x plus 5 and x plus 2. 2x power 2 minus 13x plus 20. We factorize 2x power 2, it will be 2x and x. 20. 2x, we can't put even number on the same brackets. So if we can't take common factor from 2x power 2 minus 13x plus 20, so we can't take any common factor. So we can't write even number behind 2. 2 times 10 can't be, because 2 is even number, 10 is an even number. 4 times 5, we can't put 4 behind 2, so it will be 5 times 4. 2x times 4, 8x. 5 times x, 5x, 8 plus 5 equals 13x. So factorize 2x minus 5 and x minus 4. Number 5, 5x power 2 minus 17x plus 6. We factorize 5x power 2, it will be 5x and x. 6, it only 1 times 6 and 2 times 3. 2 times 3 and 3 times 2. If we put 2 behind 5 and 3 on x, the product of extreme 5x times 3, 15x, and 2 times x, 2x, 15 plus 2 equals 17x. So factorize 5x minus 2 and x minus 3. Number 6. 2x and x, 15, 3 times 5, 2x times 5, 15, and x times 3, 3x, 15x, 2x times 5, 10x, 2x times 5, 10x, 3 times x, 3x, 10 plus 3 equals 13x. So we can factorize by the form 2x minus 3 and x minus 5. If the absolute term is negative sign, 2x power 2 plus 3x minus 10, we factorize 2x and x. Factorize 5 times 1. The difference between product of extreme and product of means, it will be 3. 2x times 1, 2x, 5 times x, 5x, 2x minus 5x equal, subtract the difference between 2x and the 5x equals 3x. So we can write 2x, 5 and x, 1. What about the sign? If the absolute term is negative sign, so we put on the bracket positive and the other negative, and the greater take the middle sign. Greater here, it will be 2 times 1 equal 2. 5 times x equal 5, so the greater is 5. So we can write 2x plus 5 and x minus 1. 2x power 2 plus x minus 15. We factorize it at the form 2x and x, 15, 3 times 5. 2x times 3, 6x. 5 times x, 5x. The difference between 6x and 5x, 1x. If we change 3 and 5, it will be 2x times 5, 10. And 3 times x, 3, 10 minus 3 equals 7. Here we want the subtract between extreme and the means equal 1. 2x times 3, 6x, and x times 5 equal 5. The 6x greater than 5x. So we put the sign on 3. So we can write 2x minus 5 and the x plus 3. 3x power 2 minus 11 plus 11x minus 20. We factorize 3x and x. 20, 2 times 10, 4 times 5. We want the subtract between extreme and the mean equal 11. 3x times 5, 15x. 4 times x, 4x. 15 minus 4 equal 11. We can write 3x minus 4 and x plus 5. 2x and x. 5 times 2, 2x. Times x, 4x. X times 5, 5x. Subtract between them 1. So we can write 2x minus 5 and x plus 2. 5x equals 2 plus 24x minus 5. Here we factorize 5x equals 2, 5x and x. Factorize 5, 1 times 5. 1 time, we can't put 5 behind the 5 because we can't take common factor. So we can write 1 times 5. 5x times 5, 25x. 1 times x, 1x. The difference between 25 and 1, 24x. So we can write 5x minus 1 and x plus 5. The last one, 6x equals 2 minus 11x minus 20. 6x we can factorize 2 times 3 or 1 times 6. We check 3x and 2x. Factorize 10, 2 times 3. We can't put 2 behind the 2, so we can write 2 times 5. 3x times x times 5, 15x. And the 2 times 2, 4x, 15 minus 4 equal 11x. So we can write 3x plus 2 and 2x minus 5. Complete the missing term. 5x power 2 minus 2x minus 7, it will be 5x. What about 7? 7, it will be 7 times 1. Number 2. 3x power 2 plus 10x plus 8. 3x power 2 will be 3x and x. 4, only 4 to 8, only 4 times 2. 6x power 2, it will be 2x times 3x. 10, 2 times 5. here 3x power 2. We factorize 3x power 2. 3x, it will be 3x times x. Here 3x power 2, it will be 3x times x. What about 6? We factorize 6, it will be 2 times 3. We can't put 3 behind 3, so it will be 2 times 3. If we want to find the product of extreme, 9x. Product of means 2x. Negative 2x, the difference between them is 7. 2x over 2 here, x. Then it will be 2x. What about 6? 2 times 3. We can't put 2 behind 2, so it will be 3 times 2. 2x over 2, it will be 2x times x. 3y times 2y, negative 6y power 2. If you want to find product of extreme, 2x times negative 2y, negative 2xy. 3xy, it will be negative xy. The last one, 5x over 2, it will be x times 5x. Oh, here, extreme and means. The means negative 5xy, and answer here negative 3. So x times space equal 2xy. 2xy times y equal to y power 2. Thank you and goodbye.